Today we are in Bowling Green, Kentucky. We're going to try Meltdown handcrafted ice cream and soda fountain. We didn't really hear about this, but we found it on Google because I was searching places to have ice cream since it's
95 degrees out.
It is really, really hot. So Google, Yelp, TripAdvisor all said this was the best place to get ice cream. It had like a 4.7, 4.8. It was a highly rated place.
And it's got kind of an old-fashioned soda fountain vibe, so we're going to go check it out.
We'll let you guys know what we think or find out inside. So we decided to go with a flight, which is 6 different flavors with some waffle cone pieces. So we have...
This is peach Bellini, frozen hot chocolate, Gimme the Gold, which is strawberries and golden Oreos, Summertime, which is sweet corn and blueberry. That one is Gimme the Worm.
I'm assuming like chocolate dirt or something.
Yeah. And cherries a la mode. That was the last one.
Because I love ice cream enough, I was just like, we'll get a flight. She said, sure, or vice versa. Maybe she said, you want that much ice cream?
I think I was just like, I can't make up my mind on flavors. Let's get a flight.
And I was just like, pick whatever, because I'll pretty much try just about any kind of ice cream. Because we tried a bourbon one, and we're not bourbon people, but it had a very strong bourbon taste to it.
I mean, if you liked bourbon, yeah, it was good.
So we're going to assume the rest are going to be really good. But we'll let you guys know. I think it was maybe $12 for 6 scoops. It didn't seem outrageous.
No, and they're pretty good sized scoops.
I know we've gotten ice cream other places. We've gotten like 6 scoops. I want to say it was like 15 or 18, so it was a little pricier than here. It is a little itty bitty place. I mean, there's like 3 tables.
Yeah.
With 2 seats at each one, so it's really not a whole lot of room to sit. But I don't know, everybody was super friendly when we come in and ready to give you samples, and just super nice.
Absolutely.
But from our experience, that's kind of Kentucky and Tennessee, so. Alright, we'll let you know about the ice cream. So we'll try to do this as we go. That was the hot chocolate one.
Mm-hmm.
That one was actually really good. The chocolate's not real strong.
It's not, but you almost get like a hint of marshmallow flavor to it.
And then...
Peach Bellini.
There we go, I was going to say.
I really like that one. That one's a sorbet, so the...
I was going to say the texture's different. I'm not a big sorbet fan, but the peach is strong to me.
Yeah, I really like the fruity taste of that.
But sometimes you get peach stuff and it's overpowering and it's not real strong. So as we keep saying, we're on a couple flavors, we'll just let you guys know what we think. But so far, everything's good. Then we tried the Summertime, which is supposed to be a corn flavored, I believe. I didn't get a lot of flavor out of it.
Tastes like corn to me. I mean, it's...
But it could be me, because I went back and tried the peach. I'm like, okay, I can taste that. I can taste the chocolate. And then that one was strawberry. Well, it tastes like strawberry shortcake to me. Mm-hmm. That one's my favorite so far out of the 4.
So far, I really like the Bellini one. The corn, I just got it because it was weird.
We wanted to try something different, or that you don't see everywhere.
And, I mean, it's not bad, but it's not going to be a return flavor for me.
No, if I had to pick 2, honestly, it'd probably be the fruit one so far, or like the peach and the strawberry.
Actually, it kind of tastes like cornbread to me, like a sweet cornbread.
I'll have to try another bite and let you know if I like it or can taste it. So the final 2 flavors we tried was the chocolate dirt. Probably because I thought that's what it was called, right?
Yeah.
Because I heard dirt, I was thinking gummy worms and dirt, what every place does.
There's supposed to be a gummy worm in there somewhere.
Okay, well we have not found it yet, but it is really chocolatey. There's like chocolate pieces inside chocolate ice cream. That one's really good. This one's supposed to be
Cherries a la mode, yeah.
It's very faint.
I mean, I don't really get any cherry at all, but it's good vanilla ice cream.
I was going to say it's just like good old vanilla ice cream.
Honestly, it's probably my least favorite of all of them.
I think my 2 favorite are the chocolate and the strawberry.
My favorite is the peach Bellini because it's nice and light where it's so hot out. And the Gimme the Dirt because
it's chocolate.
It's so chocolatey. But they're all good.
Honestly, I wouldn't have to get the Summertime one again. It's just, I did try a 3rd bite and I got a very, very faint, almost like a corn tortilla shell taste, which to me is different than corn on the cob, and that's what I was kind of thinking it was going to be. But I did finally get a taste. They give you color changing spoons. If you guys notice, they are pink and purple.
Very cute.
Because mine's more purple and I had more ice cream on it. But I would definitely say try it if you guys happen to come to Bowling Green, Kentucky to see the Corvette Museum or be passing through. Because this is in their old downtown area. It's a very nice little, you can tell they've updated it, revitalized it.
I thought
It's a nice town.
price was right for 6 scoops of ice cream, and especially if you can't make your mind up.
So, hopefully you will find this video helpful, informative, because we would say come try the ice cream place because it's reasonably priced.
Absolutely.
Leave us some comments if you've ever gone to the Corvette Museum, because we're going to have a video on that.
And if you found this video enjoyable, give us a like so we know to stop at more kind of out of the way places.
And subscribing would be helpful too, but
We would love that.
like, subscribe, comment, anything if it's helpful, useful, informative in any way. So thanks for your guys' viewing and support.